Instead of an anything goes approach, we need strong and reliable protections for Americans will now have access to reliable data on every institution of higher education. This year, Buick tied for first place as the most reliable car in the world.
As small business goes, we slowly made our name and established our company as a reliable and dependable landscape subcontractor.
It's time for strong, reliable protections for our consumers. Many of you in Nevada know, geothermal energy is literally defined as heat from the earth. This heat can then be harnessed as a clean, affordable, and reliable source of energy. It'll make our grid more secure and more reliable, saving us some of the $150 billion we lose each year during power outages. And we're implementing and improving a system to give employers a reliable way to verify that their employees are here legally. Secretary Locke and Secretary Vilsack have joined me here today to announce that the Departments of Commerce and Agriculture will invest in 66 new projects across America that will finally bring reliable broadband internet service to communities that currently have little or no access. We also have a responsibility as a nation to provide our people with, and our businesses, with the fastest, most reliable way to move goods and information. Today, news companies are going to seek out the fastest, most reliable ways to move people, goods, and information, whether they are in Shanghai or in Chicago. We need a skilled and educated workforce, a commitment to cutting-edge research and technology, and a fast and reliable transportation and communications network. We're looking for faster, more reliable transportation and communications networks, like high-speed railroads and high-speed internet. El Salvador is connecting grids in Central America to make electricity more reliable. Under the Energy and Climate Partnership of the Americas, El Salvador is working to connect grids in this region to make electricity more reliable. It's inexcusable to cut off necessary investments at a time when so many of our highways are choked with congestion, when so many of our bridges are in need of repair, when so many commuters depend on reliable public transit, and when travel and shipping delays cost businesses billions of dollars every single year. Right? What's going to make us succeed is we got the best workers, well-trained, reliable, productive, low turnover, healthy.
For pioneering work in shift register sequences that changed the course of communications from analog to digital, and for numerous innovations in reliable and secure space, radar, cellular, wireless, and spread spectrum communications.